1412 bandsaw. It has a 14-inch throat capacity, 12-inch resaw height capacity. Comes with a 1 3/4 horsepower motor that is pre-wired 110 with a molded plug. Can be rewired to 220. Some of the features include electronically balanced cast iron wheels on the top and bottom of the saw. You also have a magnetic door for changing your blade out very easily. You've got European style guides above and below the table with ceramic guide inserts. You've got an aluminum high-low fence that can be adjusted high for resaw and low for thinner stock. You've got a nice heavy-duty cast iron table with a heavy-duty cast iron trunnion. You've also got quick tension on the rear of the machine for easy, quick blade changes. You've got a sight glass indicator on the side for tracking. You've also got another sight glass on the front for blade tensioning with a needle indicator for different size blades. On the rear of the machine, here's a better look at the quick tension lever. You've also got an accessory outlet if you want to plug a magnetic light, or Laguna makes an accessory light to mount out here. You've got a 4-inch dust port, and you can also get an optional wheel kit for this machine as well.